So you might be in this really weird situation where for some reason your particular Amazon volume buttons are just not working on your Amazon Fire TV remote. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. The number one thing I would recommend doing though, as soon as you go ahead and figure out that this is a problem, is to go ahead and click on the volume down or volume down buttons a little bit harder than you normally would click on them. So click on them as you normally would, but if it's really not working as you're typing them in, you may want to go and tap a little bit harder into it, either the volume up or the volume down button. Tap a little bit harder into it, and you want to see if that changes anything. Sometimes you may just want to go and try that out, because what's going to end up happening here is that might end up fixing the problem for a lot of people. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is trying that. Now, if that doesn't work, you may want to see if there's other buttons that may end up changing things. So you can try clicking the other buttons. If the other buttons are working but these ones aren't, another thing you may want to try doing is to just go through and see if these remote buttons are different or paired differently than your TV remote. So you may have to go and grab the other remote that you have for your TV. So whatever other remote you have on your TV, you may want to go and basically try changing the volume on that. And for a lot of people, that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. So that's going to be another way to go and fix this problem too. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, you may want to try restarting your particular remote. So you can switch over to the back of your remote. You can go and basically kind of pry off this particular back plate, and just like so. And what you can do here is you can go and make sure you've put in your batteries, but you may want to go and replace these batteries as well. Sometimes it can simply just be as easy as replacing the batteries on the backside. That's another thing you can try doing as well. And if that's still not working, I'll just drop it. If that's still not working, you want to try updating your Amazon Fire TV or trying to unplug it and plug it back in. That might be another way to go and fix this problem as well. So those are a few different ways to fix this problem for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.